Welcome back. Ted joins us now with a look at our forecast. And Ted, we woke up with frigid cold temps and the wind's still howling out there.
Yeah, pretty cold winds. I mean, it's improved a little bit, but the winds are going to take another day or so to really get down to more of a palatable level. It's really pretty brutal out there at this hour. We're talking still winds 20 to 30 miles per hour. Inconceivably cold compared to where we've been in recent days. Yesterday, record high of 47 degrees today. Boy, is it completely different. Nice, cheery scene. I've been watching this for the past couple of weeks, really enjoying that Christmas tree with the city of Rochester in the distance. This is from our Assisi Heights Lewis Donato camera. Watch the time-lapse. Really impressive time-lapse imagery. You have the tree, and then you have the sun. And look at the sundog. So you have the sunlight refracting through the partially really frozen atmosphere. Those are the small ice crystals in the atmosphere in the wake of the departing storm system that left behind. And you see the sun refracting when it's close to the horizon like that through that layer of ice crystals, and you get the sundog, or a false sun, and that's what you see those on, and sometimes both sides of the sun. That's what we had this morning. Now looking at some imagery from earlier this morning. It couldn't let the day go by without a special treat, and this morning it's for my wife. Kara Schmidt snapped this picture from Silver Creek Reservoir. She ran down to the reservoir looking for a nice open space to be able to check out those really impressive sundogs. So she took this picture, and it is impressive. Just a great example of that type of situation. And this is the prime kind of weather for that. The day after a snowstorm with that extra layer of ice crystals in the atmosphere and a very cold morning. This is the quintessential sundog type day. And not a cloud in the sky right now as we look northward live. Here's our Lewis Donato camera from the studio. 3 degrees right now, winds 13 miles per hour, a little gustier at times, 14 below the current wind chill here in northwest Rochester. Air pressure, a palindrome, air pressure rising as high pressure comes in, 30.03 inches of mercury. Totals around the area, not a huge amount of snow, but we had that blizzard warning nonetheless because of the wind. And even that freezing rain that started the whole thing, that made for just messy travel conditions last night, even early this morning. Stockton 2.5 inches, Austin 2 inches, here at the studio 1.5 inches, and at the airport is an official 1.3 inches. That qualifies us, though, as now a white Christmas. Have to have at least an inch on the ground at Christmas Day, and that's not melting between today and tomorrow, let me tell you. It's only 2 degrees now in Rochester, 1 in Austin, 5 in Charles City, 7 degrees in Winona. Feels like 21 below here in Rochester. Winds 23, gusting to about 30 miles per hour. Air pressure is rising, which these winds 29 right now. The current wind gust in Rochester 35 in Mason City. And again, it's going to be in that range for the rest of today. The wind chill advisory has expired, but it's still brutally cold out there. A slight warm up tomorrow, a little less windy, every bit as sunny. The daytime temperatures tomorrow, get this, maybe 20 above zero. Kind of nice. The change of pace for us compared to what we have going on right now. High pressure nudging its way in behind the departing system. The pressure gradient between the two generating those northwest winds. They will slowly subside as high pressure draws closer to the area. Negative numbers still on the map right now. It's 7 below in International Falls, Fargo 4 below, south and eastward. That's where the warmth is. Pittsburgh 50 right now, Chicago 15. Sunny skies for the rest of the day. High of 5 will be around 5 below tonight with some pretty rough wind chill, still around 20 below. Tomorrow back to double digits above zero, so a nice shot of slightly warmer air. And right now all the really cold stuff in a place where we are, but there's some warmth building to the west, and that will slowly swing eastward in some of the coming days. We go from Saskatoon at 27. We may be in 27-degree range by Saturday. Future track looking at that high pressure coming in, slowly diminishing those winds over the next 24 hours, especially tomorrow. Then behind that, we'll have a nice burst of slightly warmer air, close to 30 degrees by the time we get to Saturday. And by Sunday, a system grazes us with flurries or very light snow showers. And then looking ahead at next week, a chance of snow light during the day on Tuesday into Wednesday. And right now, pretty strong chance that we'll see at least some accumulation out of that. And temperatures overall in the next week or so, very close to the seasonal average. Quite a departure from those 30s and 40s we've been seeing for much of the month already. 5 degrees today, a sunny day, but a very cold one. Wind chill 15 to 25 below zero. Winds still at times 25 miles per hour. Tonight for Christmas Eve, partly cloudy, 5 below, the wind chill around 20 below. And tomorrow for Christmas Day, sunny and 20 and not as windy. Winds only around 10, maybe 15 miles per hour. 7-day forecast, we are looking at snow showers on Sunday or flurries, but a better chance of accumulation Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday of next week. And by then, looking at temperatures still mainly in the 20s.
You know, it starts to feel seasonable when we're excited about it being 20 degrees tomorrow instead of 5. It's definitely not 40, but we'll take it.
It's interesting how that works, yeah.